Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Jezebel sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you're watching us on. Don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and then share this video with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making Jezebel sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got a half a cup of pineapple preserves, a half a cup of apple jelly, quarter cup of prepared horseradish, 2 teaspoons of dry mustard, quarter teaspoon of some crushed red pepper, and a little salt and pepper to season it out. Let's start mixing this up. All right, got a bowl big enough for all this? We're just going to start adding our stuff in here. We've got our apple jelly, got our pineapple preserves right there, horseradish. The recipe is in the description box or the first pinned comment. Just follow that link, it'll take you right to my website. We got our yellow mustard, we got our peppers, flakes in there, and of course salt and pepper. Now I'm just gonna, well, I should probably take our whip out here, get our whisk in here. We're just gonna mix this up really well. We're gonna take some pictures of this with some music playing, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna give it a taste. Alright, beautiful pictures, great music. Now I've got, as you can see, a little cream cheese and then that Jezebel sauce right on top of it. You can see those peppers in there, or the pepper flakes. So I'll go ahead and give this a taste. Definitely tastes the horseradish right away, but it's smoothed out with that cream cheese and that jelly's in there. It's really good combination. Let me try one with just the sauce itself and none of the cream cheese. Yeah, a little more heat, but not overwhelming. Easy to make. Apple jelly, pineapple jelly, a little hard to find, but they're out there. My wife went to 3 different stores where she found them, but they are out there. Or there's always Amazon too. Cream cheese is everywhere, but really good. Put it on a cheese tray, charcuterie board, have it out for football snacks or whatever. It's really simple to make, very good to have. Recipe for it is in the description box at the first pinned comment. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the